Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook stew peas with chicken foot. Now chicken foot is high in collagen, and collagen contents may help to relieve joint pain, aid in skin health and prevent bone loss. So you need to try it. It's very delicious, very healthy. Now if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I'd appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. Quickly run through my recipe for this delicious meal. Here in this pot I have some red kidney beans, and what I've done is to just wash these, put them in this pot. Add some water and just leave it overnight to soak. I have my chicken foot here. This has been washed and cleaned thoroughly using vinegar. I'm not going to use all of this vegetable. It seems I'm not going to use all of this. So I have red, green and yellow bell peppers. I have an onion, some leek, some spring onion, Scotch bonnet pepper. I have a couple of carrots, some garlic, and I have a couple pointed red peppers. I have tomato. I have some green chilies here. I have some dry jerk seasoning, some wet jerk seasoning, some dry thyme, and some paprika as well. Additionally, I also, in this little plastic bag here, have some pimento seed. I'm going to start to cook the red kidney beans. So while the red kidney bean is being cooked, I'm going to start to prepare the vegetables and just put them aside. As you know, when I'm cooking, I like to make sure that all my food is clean. So I'm not going to use all of this pepper. Do likewise for this pepper as well. These are all the vegetables and seasoning. They have been chopped up and ready to be added to the pot later. The red kidney beans have been cooking for a while. I'm just going to add the chicken foot in. Right, so now that I've added the chicken foot in, I'm just going to allow this to boil for maybe about 5 or so minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest of the stuff in the pot. It's cooking down nicely. I'm just going to add all the ingredients now in the pan. This is the wet jerk seasoning, dry thyme, paprika and dry jerk seasoning. This is some of the vegetables: carrots, tomatoes, leek, garlic and green chilies. And this is the last bit of vegetable. So all I need to do now, I'm just going to turn the hob down really low and just allow this to slow cook while I do other stuff. Okay, as you can see, this is cooking down really nicely. I think I was a bit heavy-handed and probably cooked too much, but it's okay. The pot is not overflowing. What I'm also gonna do is to add some little dumplings. So I'm just making these little dumplings. As you can see, just adding them into the pot. And this is made of just flour and cornmeal with a bit of salt. This is cooking down really nicely. Okay, there you have it. This is now cooked. Looks really delicious. I'm gonna have a taste of this delicious meal. It's really lovely. Wow. Really nice, really delicious. And as you see, if you follow this step by step, it's a very easy meal to prepare. Because I slow cooked it, it took me about an hour and a half, hour 40 minutes to finish. But this is really nice. You should try it. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember, leave a comment to introduce yourself. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.